charge. We're gonna do a little bit safe. We're gonna do some the patterns the teacher tell you. Like what kind of pattern? Remember, I was doing couple of ones to you. What I threw the ball? I threw a short ball, threw the long ball, and threw different side, right?
Yeah.
That's the one, right?
Yeah.
And another one is the forehand. You hit it. Throw the ball on the backhand side. You hit one backhand and one shorthand, right? One forehand inside out. Remember?
Yeah.
That job, that kind of thing. So, what kind of sense they do with you? Like Allah? What he did?
She just drops it wherever.
Randomly.
Yeah.
He will stay in the middle.
Yeah.
Some of the ball is short.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. Basically, you want to really read, change directions. Maybe.
Job done at 43 and search back 7th ring. Lakers superstar and another all-time great. LeBron James says you shouldn't be. We can still play this game at a high level, no matter how many miles, how many games, no matter how many dollars. And our respective profession at our age, we can still dominate our sport. Also, we can bring together groups that we may have not been around for a long period of time. How's that happen? Just our professionalism, how we attack the sport, how we attack the, every single day of being a professional, wanting to win every single day. Film, on the type of field, in the games, we gravitate towards people, and people gravitate towards us because we have one common goal, and that's to win at the highest level.
Yeah, 如果昨天我们打了的话，今天不用来了。We did not do it yesterday, so I don't want to do 2 days without
Boston News Radio.
113, Kevin's back. The Subaru retailers of New England all-wheel drive. Traffic on the street brought to you by Puritan Lawn Memorial Park in Peabody. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon there, Lori. Yeah, we've got some slowdowns here. Not so much weather-related here, but on the expressway southbound, you're going to get your reduced speeds here coming down through South Bay and the Columbia Road stretch on towards Savin Hill. We've got a funeral procession that's working its way down the expressway right now, so do expect all those ramps getting on the 93 southbound, the expressway southbound, to be shut down until the funeral procession passes. Right now, it looks like they're down by East Milton Square. They're expected to work their way down on Route 3 and on down towards Marshfield, so that's going to be the case. All the way down, they're going to have all those ramps getting onto the highway shut down. So for right now, expressway southbound, you've got the slowdowns from this funeral procession. A little further southbound in Taunton, Route 24 northbound, the ramp to Route 140 northbound. That's new exit 17 down there. That's shut down due to a crash scene. You have emergency vehicles. May affect your ride on Route 140 as well. Downtown, 93 southbound heading into the tunnel. Had another crash.